Hello, I would like to take you through my skills network topology. I have chosen spanning tree as it prevents layer 2 loops, broadcast storms, and it is also used for network redundancy. In my topology, I have a laptop on network 192.168.995. This is a native VLAN. Router 192.168.1.1. Core switch, 2 servers, distribution switches 1 and 2, access layer switches 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 8 VLANs. VLAN 80 production, IP address 192.168.80.29, gateway 192.168.81 and a DNS server. VLAN 50 design, VLAN 70 research, VLAN 40 marketing, VLAN 60 logistics, VLAN 30 HR, VLAN 10 admin, and management 20 is on its own VLAN for security and confidentiality. I noticed that when I was doing my topology, I had a problem with connectivity, and I realised, I don't know why, I'd put in the wrong addresses, and I'd also missed a cable, crossover cable. So this is the up-to-date version. Addresses are correct now, gateway address, and we have the cable and it's connected to the right interface and the VLANs. Spanning tree, this topology has been given priorities: 0 on the core, on this switch, distribution switch 4096, and this switch, access layer switch 8192. This is for resiliency, so it's seamless and end user devices. Any problems, if any of the switches fail, then we can use the other one. I'll go in and show you how it's been configured. Show 1, and there we go. Spanning tree, all the VLANs, priority 4096. Let's switch here. Already. Priority 8192. And you can also the trunking mode, the VLAN. You can check the VLAN brief. Just here I've pulled it up. All the VLANs active. We can check for connectivity on the server. Been practicing. I've lost one. There we go, and it's working now. 4 sent, 4 received, none lost. I have chosen this address because it's grade C and it allows for 255 hosts. You can check in the server how everything was set up. IP address, VLAN, subnet mask, and there we can see the amount of users. So this can be the addressing scheme, which would be allowed for the 8 buildings switch block with identical requirements for the number of users and VLANs to be accommodated in the future. And I've sent in a document and that tells you the devices and the labels. In this we can go into the server, and I'm going to show you here. Connected, welcome, password entered again, and we're on to the server. You can also look at the browser. Add the address. And we're into the browser. You can actually do a packet chaser simulation and see how the packets travel around the topology. You can see the laptop up to the switches, down to the other switches, round again, and hopefully it goes round. So this is my topology, and I've just explained a small part of it, and all the configurations are inside the switches. Thank you. Bridges.